Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to search for hotels on the Royal Jordanian Airlines application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone, then click on the More button down below and tap on Hotel in the middle of the screen. And after that you should select your destination or your current location. So type it into the search bar, select your check-in and check-out date. After that you should tap on the button Done, select the number of guests and rooms and click on the search button to find the best property for you to stay, as it is written on the screen. You can apply filters if you want to narrow down your search, and here you can find the available hotels, apartments. So tap on the relevant one that you find intriguing and you will be able to check out its facilities, the description, the reviews and other important information. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.